Hello, I'm Hungover Cheese, and this is basically going to be like a little tutorial of how I'm going to make like a little horror game, but it's going to be inspired by Garry's mod, if anyone's ever heard of that. I'll show a video now if you're interested. Basically, I want to have a character, which I'm choosing one of my favourite YouTubers, Callums Corner, to chase me on the map, and when he hits me, he's going to play a little death animation and I die. So basically, that's going to be the first thing I wanted to do. Um, and just hopefully go from there, really. But I'm going to be using YouTube tutorials because I am very, very new at Unreal Engine and I don't know all this coding C++ bullshit. Which I've just bought a book actually. I need to go through and actually start reading the fucking thing. I've had it about a year. I've only just got the PC, and I actually managed to get this work recently, but Unreal Engine kind of fucked me. Basically, I was pissing about with the modeling mechanic, and I accidentally clicked on Create World, and it filled the entire map and completely crashed my game. Couldn't load it anymore. Couldn't even delete the landscapes. Basically, Unreal Engine fucked me. So basically, we're going to start a third person because it's going to be Garry's mod. Um, and Callum's known for poo. Saying poo a lot. I'm going to be calling it poo mod or pop mod, poo mod. Obviously, I'm going to be using a lot of tutorials, mainly Gorka Games, because he seems to be one of the best. So I'm going to be reading his shit while we go along, basically, because I don't know what I'm doing. I think that's right. There's my dog. And basically, yeah, that's what I did. I've learned my lesson now. Obviously, people are going to be probably watching me and watching how cringe, how probably shit I am at Unreal Engine. Obviously, I'm brand new. I've literally just joined a bunch of Facebook groups and communities on Reddit and stuff to try and find out how stuff works, but it's one of the most toxic fucking communities I've ever come across. People are really, really horrible on there. Literally, all you gotta do is ask a question to see what's going on. Like, how do you do this? How do you do that? And they just give you no end of shit. But never mind. We're gonna basically start with our third person character, and I'll basically want to make this into like a first person and have Callum chase us on the map, shouting poo. And when he hits us and kills us, he's gonna play a little animation out. But yeah, let's go from there anyway. Right, so first thing to do is yeah, basically make Callum. Okay, so now we're going to be creating the AI bit. Basically, if you want to watch the whole tutorial, I think it's Gorka Games. It's on. I'll leave the link underneath the video. It's basically how to make a horror game in Unreal Engine 5 full beginner video course. So I'm going to be going through this basically step by step. This worked last time. I'm going to be doing a few different things though, using a different tutorial for the because I tried doing what you did before, and even though it worked, it wasn't the same result I wanted. So I used a different video to get a different result. Yeah, you'll see eventually what I mean by that.
Open this up and use right click and let's go into the blueprint class and open all classes and let's create an AI controller. And this will be AI controller selected. Call this BP underscore AI underscore controller. And this will be for a creature or whatever we have as
BP underscore AI. Oh fuck! Ask controller AI underscore controller. Everything's gonna be in capitals. Fuck it, who cares?
enemy. So now we can just open this up, go into the event graph, and on here we'll go ahead and run behavior tree. Now go ahead and create the behavior tree in a second. So let's do that. Right click, go into artificial intelligence, create a behavior tree, BT underscore AI.
Right.
We'll go ahead and
Already missed that. Run
behavior
behavioural tree, that was it, yeah. So, alright, behavioural tree. You literally have to follow this whole course step by step. Type in everything he does, do everything he does, because otherwise you'll miss something and then nothing will work.
second. So let's do that.
Right,
Right click,
compile,
go
save.
into artificial intelligence, create a behavior tree,
It's
BT
good to get in a habit of just
AI
keep pressing compile and save, because
controller.
yeah.
And this will be for a feature or whatever we have as an enemy.
So now we want
let's open this up, go into the event graph,
what did you
and
say?
here we'll behavior tree.
We want the
In a
what's it
second.
called?
So let's do that. Right click, go into artificial intelligence, create a
Oh
behavior
yeah, that was
tree,
it.
BT
Behavioral tree.
underscore AI, and then right click and create another
Behavioral
blackboard.
tree underscore
BT underscore
AI.
AI. So basically, the blackboard will be assigned into a behavior tree. So the blackboard will be a list of
And then you want the is it the blackboard?
all our B underscore AI. So basically, go into artificial intelligence, create a behavior tree, BT underscore AI, and then right click and create another blackboard, BD underscore AI. So basically, the blackboard will be assigned into a behavior tree. So the blackboard will be a list
Blackboard
of all our variables that
underscore
we can use throughout
AI.
our behavior tree. When we start to touch it, it will stand a bit better. But let's open up our AI controller. Let's assign that behavior tree so it will run it. And then close this up. And let's open
Right, it goes so fucking quick, it's unreal. Unreal Engine.
throughout. So basically, the blackboard will be assigned into a
I
behavior
do
tree.
just need to learn
So the
C++
blackboard will
coding
be a
because
list
this is
of
just
all
embarrassing.
our variables that we can use.
But you gotta learn, you gotta start somewhere, ain't ya?
When we start to touch it, it will stand a bit better. But let's open up our AI controller. Let's assign that behavior tree so it will run it.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's it. Yeah, so back in oh fuck me. Right, so the BP AI controller, BT assets, behavioral tree, fucking boom.
And then close this up. And let's open our behavior tree.
Yeah, open the behavioral tree. The tree, the tree, the tree. Behavioral tree. Right, so right.
And let's make sure that we have our
BBAI. Blackboard asset, yeah.
blackboard selected as the one that we created. Wait, so let's close this. And now let's create our character blueprint, our actual AI. Right click, blueprint class, character,
Oh fuck off.
underscore AI. Let's open this up. Mesh, assign a character. Let's use, for example, Manny.
So it goes so quick.
Right click, blueprint class, character.
That's it, blueprint class character. So this would just be BP underscore AI. He's just the AI, isn't he? So.
BP underscore AI. Let's open this up. Mesh, assign a character. Let's use, for example, Manny.
See, I think I fucked this up last time. I think I done the wrong one, and it did not work. So Manny. So which one does he do? He just does the top one, doesn't he?
Simple.
Oh, he does just a simple one. Bit like me, simple one. So now we need to. I think this was minus 89, and this one was minus 90, I believe. Yes. Boom! Fucking boom! Compile.
In the correct position. So minus 89 over here.
Yeah.
And minus 90 over here.
Oh.
And now in the name
Yeah.
class, I
Oh
can
yeah,
say
that's right.
ABP Manny. So I have the animations that it has. Great. So
And APB money. Yeah. Right. Yeah. So there's a lot of AI. That's eventually going to be Callum. Um, basically, what I did last time is I added plane. Oh, fuck off. Right, added the plane. But eventually, obviously, you're going to make this character invisible. So this is going to be like the Gmod thing, basically. The Garrys mod. Where he's gonna. It's basically just going to be an image of something chasing you, because you know, I'm not fucking. I'm not a coder. I don't know how to do shit. I'm learning. All right. Please be kind. Um, so basically, I need. Oh yeah, that was it. So on the AI folder, because it's going to be AI, I'm going to add or import. Um, fuck off. Oh shit! I need to go for these fucking pictures now, don't I? I think it's Callum's Rage. No, it's not that one. Well, I need to go through the fucking pictures now and find out which one it is. Pictures. No, downloads, isn't it? Really need to. I really need to. That's the one. That's the one we want. That's that. Look at that handsome devil. Blah, blah, blah. Can I rename this? Um, Callum. I'll do. Callum. Oh, there we are. So we. Oh, fuck off. Well, that's handy. It's got off it. Right. So content. So I didn't need that. Let's just delete him. Import Callum. Open. Make this into a mesh. Create material. Sorry, that's it. um, and then we put him in. There we go. Look at that handsome man. So he's the right way up. Could make him a bit bigger. We make this bring up a bit. Bring forward a bit. And obviously we want the back of his head as. Oh wait, no. Wait a minute. I had one that was actually blanked out. I prefer that one actually. So we'll get rid of him. Yeah. Okay. Fuck. Fuck just happened there? I just wanted to get rid of. What the fuck? Okay. Right. So he's a bit too big, isn't he? Oh, well, it's going to get his foot there, so yeah, it should be right. And then, I actually had one that was blanked. Oh, that one. No, that's the back of his head. That's let's put back of head. And this one, front of head. What? There it is. Front of head. I'm actually new to PC as well, if you can't tell. Obviously, You wouldn't say that, would you? Fuck me. Right, back to here. Import. Front of head. Oh, fuck off. Yeah, so create material. Perfect. Now would you look at that? And then we want the back of head as well. So basically just want to copy. This one, we obviously spin round. Oh, fuck off. Alright, so we've got the front of head, and we want the back of head. I love how ridiculous this looks. Right, delete it, we don't need that anymore. Import back of head. Turn this into material. Create material, and we've got back of head. Oh no. Oh, he's selected, isn't he? Yeah. Sorry, yeah, I'm on the white one. Where's he gone? There he is. There's the beautiful back of his head. Perfect. Look at that. Cool. So this is going to be like the character, the face that just chases us around the map. Right. So now back into. Right. So he does exist. He's just in this thing, this little realm at the moment. We could put him into the map actually. Um. Oh yeah, what am I doing? Cool. So there we are. The oh, he's actually floating off the floor a little bit. Might have to change that. I don't really like that, but that's easily changed. But there we go. We've created him. Now we need to make him actually run around the map or roam around the map to begin with, and then yeah, you should right. How the fuck? Oh yeah, for someone one. That's why. Dickhead. Right. Okay. So now we're going back into our back to the Gorka video. Got. Right. That's probably quite a long video now. Pause that. Right. So back to the video.
So I can now go into the class defaults, search for AI.
Right. Class defaults. Search for AI.
And this is very important. We have to go and change the auto.
Right, go down to pawn. I think that's yeah. I think you go on BPAI controller.
AI to be in placing bolt or spawned. And this one is just a prevention, a thing that I
Placing
like
mode
to do.
or spawned.
Just in
I'm
case
pretty
like
sure it's
you
BPAI controller.
spawn
We need to
your AI instead of manually placing it in the level. Because if not,
compile.
the AI will not be assigned, it will not work, and you'll see why it's not working, whatever. And it's just because this was not correctly set up, so like this will work. And then the most important thing is changing the AI controller class. So let's change that to our one that we created, which is BP AI controller. So now I can just compile, save, and I can just close this. Great, so now we have our AI created and assigned, so I can just go and drag it into the scene. Now there's a thing that we need to do in order to let our AI move around our scene, and I just go into quickly add to the thread.
Right, so create. What was it?
Go into volumes and add a nav.
Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, the volumes and the navigation bounds volume.
Nice let's go ahead and fill in the whole scene. So I can just change the scale to be locked and I spell like 2.
Um, locked. And I think he said, what was it? 20, wasn't it? 20.
Now it will just fill the whole screen, screen not seen. And now if I press play, you can now see the whole routes that our AI will be able to navigate. So that's great. You can press P again, and there you go. Of
Right,
course,
so
right
press
now our AI
P.
will not
Oh,
work.
no. Wait. Fuck.
So let's start to create
So
our
press
logic.
P.
Let's go
Yeah,
and
so
start
now it
our
shows.
tree, and what we can do is get.
So yeah, now it shows around the map where you can actually go and where you can't, basically. So you can pretty much go everywhere. Oh, he's a little bit outside the map here, but yeah, so he's not going to follow us up there. So we need to, uh, so, yeah, so yes, can we make it just a little bit bigger? 21. Can we just edit it? Let's try 30 then. I don't know. Yeah, there we go. That's better. And it actually covers the whole map now. So yeah, done. Done. Fucking done. Alright, so now I need to make him actually chase me around, don't I? Yeah, of course. So now we need to go in the behavioral tree. BT, short for big tree. Behavioral tree.
From the root and add a selector. So we will have two sequences. We'll have a new sequence over here, which will be just the search AI, well, search player, sorry. And this one, it will just be randomly, going through the level, searching the player. And then we'll have another search AI, well, the root, and add a selector. So we will have two sequences. We'll have a new sequence over here, which will be just the search AI, well, search player, sorry. And this one, it will just be randomly, going through the level, searching the player. And then we'll have another sequence, which will be chasing player. And this one, the enemy AI has already seen the player and will start to chase it. So for search player, let's go and create a new task. We just click this button over here. And now in the AI folder, let's create a new folder. Tasks will have another sequence, which will be chasing player. And this one, the enemy AI has already seen the player and will start to chase it. So for search player, let's go and create a new task. We just click this button over here. And now in the AI folder, let's create a new folder. Tasks. Let's open this up, and this will be our BT underscore task underscore, and this will be just roam around. And now we can just enter in this task. So let's add the begin play of this task, which is under functions, override, receive, execute AI. This is like the begin play of our task. So when we're in this task. So let's add the begin play of this task, which is under functions, override, receive, execute AI. This is like the begin play of our task. So when the task is being executed. So on here, what we're going to do is get the control pawn and just do a AI move to, and this will just add a AI move to without putting any values. There we go. Now the pawn will be our controlled pawn, which will be our AI. And then our destination, we can just do a random point in get random reachable point radius. This will just get a random point. Okay. Our origin, we can just get the actor location from this. And then we're going to search around, let's do 3000 from this point. Great. So now when we put this 120, and then I can just do in success, I can just do it was, what was the finish, execute, there we go. And this, it will be a success, so ticked on, and on fail it will be, well, I'm ticking the success. And there we go.
Right, so now we've done all that, he should actually walk around the map. So let's press play and hopefully he does. If he doesn't, then I don't know what the fuck I've done wrong. There we go. He's walking around the map. He's sliding around the map. Perfect. So he's just roaming around randomly. We need to make him invisible because that just looks weird. Right, so I think we could probably... Yeah, so... It looks so fucking weird. Right, so I downloaded a bunch of assets, that were free assets, and they came with like a bunch of like materials. If I can, I think I just typed in clear. Is it clear? Clear coat? No. Shit, what was it? Was it glass or something? Glass material. Translucent. Oh fuck it, I can't remember. I'll tell you what, I think last time I literally just found it here somewhere. Yeah, that was it. It was just 3D particle fucking thing, whatever it was. So now he's invisible. Perfect. Oh, I don't know why I did that. Just save it. But I need to move him down a bit because he's a little bit too high. So let me go back on there again. Will that do? There he is. There he goes. Look at that beautiful back of head. I need to move the back plane down as well, don't I? Look at him. Look at him go! Yeah, so you can see that's plane 1. Let's just rename these to back of head. Right, it needs to move down just a tap. There we are. Front of. Let's just put face actually. Just face. Compile. There he goes. There he goes. Look at that. He's knocking shit over. Look at him go. Look at him go. Right, so basically we need to make him chase us now. So yeah, we'll work on that next. Look at him. He's coming up here. He's going to say, "Oh, goodbye."